Alright, this video is going to show you how to make most of the robot parts. So first off, I'm in Canvas. Okay, I have all my drawings open. This is arm A, so I'm going to do that first. Okay, I'm going to start out with a 3x3 up 10 and then cut out the different parts. So we go Start 2D Sketch, choose the plane, rectangle, 3 tab 3, enter, finish, extrude it up 10. Zoom out. Next, I need to cut this. Now, it doesn't tell me how deep it is, but it does tell me that on here. So I'm going a 1x3 and cutting it all the way through. Start 2D Sketch, choose a side. Now, to get it in the middle, the easiest way is literally just to draw a 1-inch line over. 1, enter. Grab our rectangle tool from the end of that line, and it's just going to be 1 tab 3, enter. Extrude it, flip the way, it goes all the way through, and click OK. Next, I'm going to put a hole on the side. So start, choose that. Okay, now the hole is 1 inch, and it is actually down 1 inch, and it goes all the way through. Okay, so same thing with my line tool. If I come over here, I know the middle is that green dot, so I click and just draw a 1-inch line down. Get my circle tool, click, 1, enter. Okay, extrude it, opposite way, click OK. Next, the fillet tool, we're going to click these sides, change that to 1.5. For this one on the bottom is a peg. Okay, it looks like a square, but it's actually a cylinder. Okay, so it is a 1-inch circle in the middle and extrudes out 1. Okay, so start sketch on the bottom. Same thing. Okay, find the center, draw a 1.5-inch line, get my circle, end of that line, 1 inch, enter, finish and extrude out 1 inch. Okay. Remember, you're going to color it whatever color. It doesn't really matter. Okay. File, save as, arm A, under desktop. Okay. In order to start a new one, you go File, New, Part. Next, Start 2D Sketch, plane, rectangle, start it the same way. 3 tab 3, enter. This is also up 10. Okay, so now I'm going to be building this one. All right, so I'm going to cut out the sides and make it a hole on the bottom instead. Okay, otherwise it's the same stuff. So start 2D sketch on the side, rectangle. I know it's going to be a 1 tab 3, enter. 1 tab 3, enter. Finish, extrude, click them both. Oops. All the way through. Okay. Next, we're going to put a hole right there. So start 2D sketch right there. Again, this one has to be 1 inch down. Okay, so I need my line tool from the center. 1 inch, enter. Circle tool. 1 inch, enter. Finish. Extrude. Other way. Click OK. Next, I'm going to fillet these at 1.5 as well. And how I get the 1.5 is from, oops, it's from this drawing right there, R1.5. Okay. Next thing I need to do is just put a 1-inch circle in the middle and extrude it in. So start 2D sketch on the bottom. Same thing. 1.5 circle, 1 inch. Extrude it in this time and go 1. Click OK. All right, so same thing. I'd color it, whatever. Color, file, save as, arm B. Okay, then looking at the base, it is a 10 by 10 up 1 with a hole in the middle that is 1.01. Okay, and then the peg is a 0.99 inch circle extruded up 3. Okay, so those two things are pretty self-explanatory. This even says, it's 5 inches down, 5 inches over. You draw 1.10 1 inch circle. Okay. Otherwise, that is going to be how you make the both arms, a little bit about the base and the peg, and then for your hand or wrist that goes in the technically the bottom of this, that is completely up to you how you decide to make that.